Hello! Welcome back to Math 20 video lecture series. Sa videong ito, pag-uusapan natin ang systems of linear inequalities and nonlinear systems of equations and inequalities. So bago tayo mag-start, gusto ko munang magbigay ng overview kung ano na ba yung mga nagawa natin before. So yung first part ng Math 20, nag-focus tayo sa pagsosolve ng equations in one variable. Okay? Tapos dyan sa equations in one variables, nandiyan yung linear, quadratic, rational, with radicals, with absolute values, etc. And then after natin aralin yung pagsosolve ng equations in one variables, nag-solve naman tayo ng inequalities in one variable. At yung inequalities in one variable, may linear, may polynomial, rational, absolute value, etc. So may mga counterparts yung ito at saka ito. And in our previous videos, pinag-usapan rin natin ang systems of linear equation, at yung system of linear equations na ito, inaral natin yung pagsosolve ng 2x2 system at saka ng 3x3 system. So, sa video ito, ang aaralin naman natin, system of linear inequalities. Puro mga system, no? Tapos, meron naman tayong nonlinear system of equations and inequality. So, lahat ng unang cases ng mga system na inaral natin ay linear. Tapos, yung susunod naman ng mga systems na aaralin natin ay mga nonlinear naman. So, in this video, ito yung aaralin natin at saka nonlinear system of equations and inequalities. Yung mga nonlinear after nito. At ito yung goal natin for this episode. So, algebraically solve for systems in two variables involving one linear equation and one quadratic equation. So, ito yung sa system of nonlinear system of equations. At ito naman yung para sa mga system of inequalities. Identify and sketch the solution regions for systems involving linear inequalities and systems involving nonlinear inequalities. So, start muna tayo with some vocabulary lang. So, unlock natin yung mga terms. So, pag sinabi nating system of linear inequalities in two variable, so that consists of at least two linear inequalities in the same variable. So, instead na meron kang dalawang linear equation, meron kang dalawang linear inequalities. At dalawa ang variables. And a solution of a system of linear inequalities is an ordered pair that is a solution to all inequalities in the system. Okay, solution, yung particular solution na yun ay solution ng bawat inequalities. At kapag kinolekta mo yon, ang tawag doon ay solution region noong system. So, a solution region of a system of inequalities is the region consisting of all of its solution. Okay. And paano tayo naghahanap ng solution region ng isang system of inequalities? Ang gagawin natin, yung bawat inequality, isi-sketch natin yung solution region nila. So, marami tayong solution region na madodrawing and then find the intersection of those region. The intersection of the region is the solution to the system of inequalities. So, mas madali talaga kapag nagsosolve tayo ng example. Before tayo mag-proceed dito, mag-try nga lang natin mag-graph ng isa lang. Wag muna tayo mag-focus masyado dun sa system. Let's say, isang inequality lang. Nasasanay ako sa equation, pero inequality ang usapan natin ngayon. So, let's say you want to find the solution region for y equal to inequality nga, diba? So, y less than x plus 3. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, para mag-graph ko siya, yung solution. So, yung solution then is the set of x, y, such that this one happens. So, ang ginagawa ko, iniisip ko muna na yung inequality ay isa siyang equal sign. So, yun muna i-graph ko, y equal to x plus 3. This one. And when you sketch this, the y-intercept is 3 and the slope is 1. Okay, yan yung graph niya, yung line. So, kapag equality, si mismong line yung graph. Pero pag inequality na less than or greater than, instead na ano siya tawag dito na solid line, broken line, meaning hindi siya kasali sa solution, yung mga points na nandoon. So, broken line siya. Okay. And then, yung isang region, ito, yun yung magiging solution region for this inequality. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, mamimili lang ako ng representative point doon sa isang region. So, let's say this is your representative point. If that point satisfies the inequality, then yung pinanggagalingan niyang region is the solution. Kapag hindi siya kasali, or kapag hindi niya na-satisfy ito, ang sagot, yung kabila. So, let us try at 0, 0. So, pa-plug in natin dito. Is 0 less than 0 plus 3? Totoo ba yan? Is 0 less than 3? So, the answer is yes. So, yung 0, 0 kasali sa solution. So, ibig sabihin yung region na to is the solution region. Okay, yung may shade ng yellow. So, resize lang natin yan So, yung iba magtatanong, ay sir, paano naman kung naging y less than or equal to x plus 3? You do the same. So, kamukha lang nito yung sagot. Kaya ikakopy ko lang siya. Pero, solid line, ito. So, meaning, yung sa solid line, kasali yung mga points dyan doon sa solution region nito. Malinaw ba yon? Paano kung y greater than x plus 3? So, dahil ito ay walang equality, so you use a broken line. So, test point ulit. So, si 0, 0. So, does 0, 0 satisfy this? I mean, inulit ko lang yung method para magets natin. Is 0 greater than 0 plus 3? Is 0 greater than 3? The answer is no. So, ibig sabihin, itong region na to, itong part na pinanggagalingan ng 0, 0, ng test point mo, is not the region that you want. So, ang gusto mo yung kabila. Ayan. At paano naman kung greater than or equal to? Gagawin mo lang solid line. Kuwari, ganyan siya. Gagawin mo lang solid line. Basta pag may equality rito, solid line palagi yung curve. Etong part na ito. Malinaw ba yon? So, ganyan lang yung gagawin natin to solve the system. So, for each of this, gagawin natin yon, gagraph natin sa isang Cartesian plane and find the intersection. The intersection of the solution regions for each is the solution for the system. Okay, so ito naman gawin natin. So, iisipin mo muna to as x equal to 3. Ano bang graph ni x equal to 3? So, x equal to 3, it's a vertical line, right? Natatama sa 3. So, let's say this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So, tatama sa 3 dapat. Pero, walang equality, so it must be a broken line. So, mag-shade ka dyan sa left or sa right ng broken line. Para malaman, pick a point. Si 0, 0 na lang para madali i-plug in. So, at xy equal to 0, 0. Palitan mo yung x dito ng 0. Walang bearing yung y kasi wala namang y dito. So, is 0 greater than 3? The answer is no. So, ibig sabihin, kung andito si 0, 0, hindi ito yung region na gusto mo, yung kabila. So, i-shade natin iyon. So, burahin ko na ito, scratch work lang naman ito. Ay. So, i-shade natin siya ng yellow. Ayan. Ang ganda, may pa-highlighter siya, oh. Ang ganda, pak-yellow. Okay, so yan yung yellow, yan yung solution region ni x greater than 3. And then, next naman, ito. So, i-imagine mo ito as equal lang. So, anong graph ni y equal to negative x plus 2? So, the y-intercept is 2, the slope is negative 1. So, the y-intercept is 2, the slope is negative 1. Ang laki naman ng pen ko. Okay. And as you can see, meron kang equality dito, yung binibilugan ko. So, ibig sabihin, itong line na to must be a solid line. Paano mag-drawing na straight line? Ay! Tada! Okay? So, nahahati niya yung xy plane into two regions. Itong nasa left, itong nasa right. So, ang tanong, alin ang solution region doon nito? Yung nasa left ba? Or yung nasa kanan? Of course, kasama ito ha, kasi solid line nga siya. So, try ulit natin si origin. So, at xy equal to 0, 0. Bakit laging origin yung pinipili ko? Kasi madaling i-substitute yung x equal to 0 tsaka y equal to 0. Although you can pick other points naman. So, at xy equal to 0, 0, ano mangyayari? Is 0 less than equal to negative 0 plus 2? Is 0 less than equal to 2? So, the answer is yes. So, ibig sabihin, yung region kung saan kasama si 0, 0, yun yung gusto mo. Andito si 0, 0. So, ito yung solution region ng pangalawang inequality. I-shade ko siya gamit ang ibang color. Let's say violet. Oh, ganda, no? And then, yung intersection ng violet at saka yellow, yung solution region ng system. So, yung solution region natin is ito, kasali ito, itong sa line na to. Ito hindi kasali, itong naka-broken line. And then, lahat ng nasa loob nila kasali. Okay? At paano mo malalaman kung saan sila nag-i-intersect, kung ano yung point na yon? Isipin mo lang na equality yon, tapos isolve mo sila using system of equation. Pero dito sa picture, parang nag-i-intersect siya sa this is 4, this is negative 1. So, parang sa 4, negative 1, no? Okay, so i-verify natin iyon. Ay, hala, hindi ko na ma-separate yung drawing. I-resize ko siya kasi kailangan natin siya later. Okay. So, ano yung point of intersection ng x equal to 3, intersection with y equal to negative x plus 2, lalabas doon ay 3, y equal to negative 3 plus 2 or negative 1. Okay, so ang y mo is negative 1, ang x mo is 3. So, yung point of intersection nung line na to tsaka line na to ay 3, negative 1. So, tingnan nyo, nagkamali yung sa figure. That's why we have to verify algebraically kasi yung figure natin hindi drawn to scale yung mga ganap. So, this intersection is 3, negative 1. Okay. O, mali lang ako ng bilang kanina. Mali lang ata ako ng bilang kanina. Kasi this is x equal to 3. O, tama, 3. 3, negative 1. Okay. Mali, naduling lang ako kanina. So, yung solution region, i-redraw ko lang ulit siya. Is this. So, ang focus natin nasa quadrant 4 siya. So, asan si 3, negative 1? So, 1, 2, 3. Negative 1. So, hindi kasali ito. And then, so, nag-e-extend yan. This is the solution region. Labelan lang natin. So, this is 3, negative 1. This line is y equal to negative x plus 2. At ito ay x equal to 3. So, nag-extend yan. And that is the solution region. Kahit ilan pa yung equation mo, ganun lang ulit yung method. Igagraph mo lang isa-isa. Find the intersection. That is the solution to the system of linear inequalities. Gawin naman natin ito. 3 naman siya. Ganun din. Ganun din yung pagsosolve. Okay? So, gawa tayo ng xy plane. So, let's say this is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. So, sketch muna natin yung una. So, iisipin mo doon sa una na meron kang y equal to 2x minus 3. The slope is 2. The y-intercept is negative 3. Slope is 2. Isang rise, run. Dalawang rise, isang run. Dalawang rise, isang run. So, parang connect the dots. Ayan, usog natin. Okay, ano i-shade yung Tapos, wait lang, balik. Hindi pa natin na-check kung solid or broken. Walang equality rito, so broken lines. Ayan. Hindi ako straight mag-drawing ng broken lines eh. Kaya ginagawa ko, isang buong lines muna, tapos tsaka ko siya binubura-bura. So, anong i-shade yung left o right? So, get a test point. 0, 0. Is 0 less than 0 minus 3? The answer is no. So, ang sagot, etong nasa kabila. So, i-shade natin siya gamit yung favorite color ko, pink. Ayan. Tapos yung pangalawa, imagine y equal to negative 3. Pero dahil may equality, solid line siya. is y equal to negative 3. And y greater than negative 3, kapag kumuha ka ng 0, 0, is 0 greater than negative 3. Yes. So, kasali ito. So, ito yung isi-shade mo. So, maganda dito kung nagsasolve kayo on your own. Gumamit kayo ng highlighter just like what I'm doing. Or different colored pens. Isang red, isang black, isang blue para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-visualize ng mga bagay-bagay. Labelan natin yung x-axis tsaka y-axis para hindi tayo mawala. And then yung last one, ano ba ito? Isipin mo y equal to negative 4x, y equal to negative 4/5 x plus 5 over 2. So, meaning, the slope is negative 4/5, the y-intercept is 5 over 2. 5 over 2 is 2.5. Nasaan ba yung 2.5? Ito si 2.5 here. And the slope is negative 4/5. So, ibig sabihin, bababa ka ng 4, magra-run ka ng 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, tapos 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, tama ba yung na-shadean ko? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, kukonect na lang natin yun, no? Tapos, solid line kasi meron kang equality. Ito, equality dyan. Asan na i-connect natin? Okay, so, nasaan yung isi-shade sa left or sa right? So, ito yung dalawang region. Ito, or ito. So, get a test point. Try 0, 0 ulit. Is 0 less than equal to 0 plus 5 over 2? The answer is yes. So, kasali yung region ni 0, 0. So, ito yung shadean. Hala, naubusan na ako ng color. Ano magandang color? Green, blue. Blue na lang. So, kung isi-shade natin yan. At nasan yung solution region? Yung intersection ng tatlo, which is, hindi kasali ito kasi broken line yun nandoon. Ito, at yung nasa loob niya. Okay, so, idodrawing ko lang ulit ng mas maganda. So, parang meron ka ring scratch work dito. Hindi ko na siya lilabelan. Asaan na yun? Sige na nga, labelan na nga natin. X-axis, Y-axis. So, anong lalabas dito? This is 0, 3. 0, negative 3. Okay? And then, something pa ganon. Ay, ang pangit ng drawing ko. Ulit. Broken line. Okay, so dito, ang y-coordinate is 3. Negative 3. So, sino ba itong line na ito? Ito siya. So, this is y equal to negative 4/5 x plus 5 over 2. So, try natin pasok yung y negative 3. Anong x yung makukuha natin? So, multiply both sides by 10. So, anong lalabas dito? Negative 55. Ano ba ito? Negative 55, negative 8x. So, x is 55 over 8. 55 over 8. Negative 3. Please check my arithmetic. At kung ano man yung point na ito, ano ba tong point na to? Ano ba itong broken line? This broken line is y equal to 2x minus 3. Tapos ito, y equal to negative 3. Pwede man kayo na lang maghanap ng intersection noon. So, ang solution region ay shade natin. Ay, ang laki. Kailangan ma-fill in yan. Okay. So, yung triangle lang na yan, tapos hindi kasali mga points dito sa edge na ito. Okay? O, para mas clear, hindi kasali ito, so dapat open yung bilog. So, open. Ayan. Open, ayan. Okay. Check nga natin yung kabila. So, kasali ba tong point na to? Hindi siya kasali kasi ang intersection nitong broken tsaka solid, etong solid lang yung may point doon. So, dapat open yon. Okay ba? So, sige na nga, compute na nga natin. Ito baka sabihin yung tamad akong teacher. Okay, so, ano yung isosolve? Ito, equate natin dito. So, 2x, I need space, minus 3, equal to negative 4/5 x plus 5 over 2. Multiply both sides by 10, we get 20x minus 30 equal to negative 8x plus 25. Or 28x equal to 55. So, x is 55 over 28. Wow. And y is plug in natin dun sa isa. Sa 2x minus 3 minus 3, anong lalabas dito? 55 over 14 minus 3. 55 minus 42 over 14 or 13 over 14. So, that is the solution region. Kaya kailangan, alam nyo yung system of equations. Kaya nauna siyang tinuro. Yun yung rational. Kasi, i-compute mo yung mga vertices niya. Okay, so yun dun sa edges, be careful. Muntikan ko nang malimutan yon. Although, kahit naman malimutan ko, maalala ko siya ulit. Okay, so, pag broken, intersection with solid ay open, hindi kasali. Ito, solid, kasali. Broken, solid, hindi kasali. Okay, ganun din dun sa previous video. Broken, solid, so hindi kasali yon. Okay. So, para lang fun, ipa-check natin sa graphing utility yung sagot natin. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng Geogebra. Kaya ba ni Geogebra? Okay, so yung una we have y less than 2x minus 3. And then, y greater than or equal to negative 3. And then, y less than negative 4 divided by 5 x plus 5 over 2. And as you can see, yun nga, yun yung intersection nila, yung triangle. Try natin yung vertices para lang ma-check natin kung tama yung pagkakasolve natin ng vertices. Okay, so si A, so that is 0, negative 3. Try naman natin ito. So, 55 divided by 8, comma, negative 3. Ay, ano may pinagsusulat ko? Hindi ko kasi nakikita. $55 divided by 8, comma, negative. Oops. Yes, so si point Z1, siya ito. And then finally, 55. Finally for yung mga linear na inequalities na system. Sana tama to. Yes, so tama siya. Tama naman yung pagka-compute natin. So this is B, this is A, this is Z1. And kung makikita niyo, ito yung intersection nila.